If you're considering hosting a business event in Canada, come over, they're ready for you.
This is my 15th trip to Canada. For me, the most important thing is the connections that we create here.
There's something about being able to start establishing friendships and relationships with the people that you're with, understanding who the contacts are, who I can talk to from each city.
It's a very good way of getting a nuance to what the different provinces and different cities can offer.
I loved touring the RoboHub and looking at the technology that is available right now in manufacturing. It's just been so incredibly rewarding and exciting.
I have learned that it's an immense country, very green, with very, very friendly people.
From the west to the east, you have so many different opportunities.
Sustainability is a word that I've been hearing quite a lot here in Canada. Not only talking about, but you see that the actions are there.
It's a great opportunity to explore the country, to meet like-minded people, have a great time.
If I were to describe in 3 words my time here with Innovate Canada, I would say it's well-balanced, inspiring and insightful.
Educational, innovative and exciting.
Fun, knowledge, and sustainability.
If you ever would consider host a business event in Canada, I would say let's do it.